The Toolitin telescopic extension ladder is crafted from premium aluminum alloy. The surface of aluminum is oxidized, which can prolong the life of the folding ladder. And its plastic parts are reinforced with nylon fiber to improve load capacity, stability, aging resistance, and extend service life. So our telescopic ladders are lightweight and durable. It has a maximum load of 330 pounds, 150 kilograms. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. New version features. 1. Slow down design, it can effectively prevent fingers clipping injury. 2. One-button retraction function for easier. 3. Smaller size in a collapsed condition, save more space. 4. You can adjust the height of the ladder as you like. Dark green extension ladders give people a more stable and safe feeling and make people feel that the ladder can also be very noble. 5. Aerospace engineered 6061 aluminum alloy with seamless metal finishing. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. One-button retraction. Convenience is the key. Compared with other step ladders on sale, our foldable ladder simply press down on the thumb buttons and the ladder will slide down effortlessly. It takes only a few seconds to retract the ladder from its full extension. Safe, convenient. Number 2. Intelligent locking mechanism design. We have upgraded the internal structure of the ladder. Our aluminum telescopic ladder has an intelligent locking mechanism in each rung. The red button under the rung. You can also adjust the height of the ladder as you like. Each step falls slowly and smoothly when retracting. The problem of pinching the hand is completely solved. Number 3. Portable and easy to store. This compact ladder is lightweight and easy to carry. Such aluminum extension ladders are convenient and space-saving to store. A retractable ladder can be stored under the bed, behind the cabinet or behind the door, and so on. If you go out with a ladder, you can put it in the trunk and use it anytime, anywhere. Number 4. Good assistant of family. Toolitin's ladder will be the ladder brand you can trust and deliver a family-oriented brand service of the highest level consistently. The extension ladder will be a good helper for your family, whether you are painting walls, changing light bulbs, cleaning tree trunks, as an attic ladder, etc. Number 5. Professionalism. Maintaining the highest standards and service. This ladder is compliant with EN 131 and SGS European safety standards. Number 6. Strong, durable. This telescoping ladder uses high-quality aluminum alloy materials to ensure the safety of ladders. Number 7. Portable ladder. When you need to use a telescoping ladder around your home, you can walk with it directly, because it's really lightweight and easy to carry. Number 8. Telescoping ladder for RV. A foldable ladder that would fit in the RV storage compartment. We believe it will be a good helper in your journey. Number 9. Household daily. Collapsible ladders are also a good helper at home. You can use them to trim the roof, clean the windows, paint the walls, and repair the chandeliers, etc. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.